There's a case that was brought to my attention where this mama had sold her land to take her child through Kenyatta University. That's a very prestigious university here in this country. And they're still sitting out a year, 2 years down the road. And she sold the land. How heartbreaking is that? And as leaders, I can only imagine, you're not sitting here being proud that that's the situation that is happening in this country. But I also know that inside your hearts, you want to make it better for your people. And I would hope that's what's driving you, to get up every day and work for your people. I have to encourage you. You have been called, you have been equipped, and positioned to make impact in your own right. Leadership is not about waiting for someone to open doors for you. It's about realizing that you are the door for your community, through which change can happen. Leading with courage. Sometimes, as hard as it is, speaking from a place of understanding the needs of the people, that will go a long way. As a woman, we are not here to decorate leadership. We are just here. Let me speak to the women leaders in the room. Women leaders, oh yeah. Is that right? Women leaders, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you. Oh yeah. It's not okay. It's oh yeah. As a woman leader, I also understand the challenges that you people are facing. When I went to my community, think about baby, now I'm ready to lead. And the first thing they asked me is, who gave you permission to lead? Who gave who permission to do what? As if I needed their permission. Me, I grew up with a very tough mother. My grandmother, Mama Sarah from Nyacheki there, she was a no-nonsense woman. And my mother took that character, and now I have that. Yes, I lead with grace, but also I don't tolerate nonsense. So I told them, I'm not here to get your permission. I'm here to ask for your blessing. And even if you don't give me your blessing, I already know what God has instilled in me. At now I'm waiting for somebody to give me permission. So women leaders, even the staff here, all women are sitting in here. Don't wait for somebody to give you permission to do anything. Don't wait for permission to lead. Don't wait for permission to step into God-given opportunity and potential that you have. Because the sooner you sit there and wait, and don't get me wrong, we love our God. You are here because of your resilience and tenacity. Nobody handed you your leadership was Saigo. You have to fight for it. Senor. So I want to encourage our women leaders. Stand up boldly and lead with courage. And know that there's a lot of backing you have. All you have to do is just tap into it. And our men leaders, Mr. Speaker, sir, give them opportunities. Give them a break. Give them, you do. Saying the truth. Space, more correct I say, it's good. We give him a tick. Hey, okay, I will let them. So that. Thank you so much. Let me address the young people in here. Gen Zs, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Are you not Gen Z? You gave her. I had that young man back there speaking, making a song. All right. I'm going to see now. I'm going to song. Why did America IP? To my young people in this space, in this sacred space, you're the dreamers and the innovators and builders of this country, whether you like it or not. Most of us, it's only a matter of time before we step aside for you. My question to you is, are you ready to step into these spaces? When that time comes and Mr. Speaker Sir has stepped aside, who is he handing it to? Are you ready to receive that? What are you doing right now? I always tell young people, what you're doing right now will dictate where you're going. You're building your resume right now. So don't think that once you get there, that's when you'll start. Obugambi doesn't just come like that. You have to start from somewhere. You know, when a few people who know me very well, when they speak up and talk about me, they say, "Ina moroche," and they up there doing this, doing that. This person remembers that I did that I did this. Oh wait, I did that. It begins with the little things that you do to impact your next door neighbor. So as you continue to walk this journey, and if you're thinking about stepping into leadership, you're starting now. Build your resume so when that time comes, you are able to step in there. You're not questioning whether or not you belong in that space. You belong in that space because you've already had your resume written, you've had your lived experiences. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to encourage you. Create internships. You know, my office, I take pride in having an internship program. Even on I had the privilege of bringing my own staff. But guess what? I told him, no, I'm just here benchmarking. I came here to benchmark to make sure that the economic trade mission that I'm putting together for January's trip goes well. But guess what I did? I recruited young people. This young lady right here, I came here last December for the state visit and I stayed at Dallas Hotel. She was at the door working as security. And you know what I did? Actually, it was through my brother. There's a young lady there that was very well spoken. She was a woman of integrity. She was transparent. She's now who is managing my personal affairs. She's the one who's behind me. You know? So, Mr. Speaker, sir, create opportunities. Even your offices, MCAs, your offices, create internships opportunities for these young people to come in, even to shadow you, even to carry your bag, madam. You never know what that's going to happen. This young lady, she did everywhere with me. I was in Cliffy. I went to meet the ambassador of Uganda. I went everywhere, and she's being exposed to spaces that she never thought she would be exposed to. So take these young people. Take these young people to you. You know? Take them with you. Open those doors. Even having a young person sitting back there listening to what you know, our parliament, we call it the House, it's a public space. My office is not funding this. Internships are free, my friend. They are free. Don't make an excuse of why we shouldn't be opening doors for our young people because of money. You will never have enough money of what we want to do. You will never. You know, bringing a young man to shadow you, Mheshimiwa, it won't take much. You know, see a promising young man and just tell him, come along with me. That doesn't require a lot of money. Yeah. It doesn't require a lot of money. You know? Ngonyore baraka, ngonyore soda. Ngonyore soda. Okay. So I'm encouraging you, even the staff, Mr. Research staff, make sure you're also bringing young people to shadow you. When you are done, who is going to take over your position? Who is going to know how do you even navigate research? What research do they need to do? Create opportunities for young people so that they can start writing those resumes that I talked about. And you young people, don't waste their time either. Me, when somebody asks me, please mentor me, what exactly do you want from me? Because I always tell them, don't waste my time and I won't waste your time. So you young people in here, when you're coming asking for those opportunities, come prepared. These people don't have a lot of time. You come prepared, and if you have issues, also come with solutions, recommendations of solutions, so that our leaders know where to begin. Sometimes, and you people can attest to this, sometimes and you're sitting here asking yourself, how? Because I have no idea what lens you're coming from, what you're asking me to help you with, what you yourself have brought to the table. You can't just come off your going and say, Konye. Me, I will only help somebody who is willing to help themselves first. Yes. Excuse.